one of my earliest learnings, I was introduced to one of the great thinkers of the turn of the 20th century. And his name was William James. And he was a deep philosopher. And the thing that struck me most in reading his work was this construct that I'm going to share with you now. This was the early 1900s. The greatest discovery of my generation is that a human being can alter his life by altering his attitudes of mind. Now, living in this world we are today with psychotherapists and so many other mental health tools, the idea that we can alter our being by the way we think was startlingly new. And really, it's only been, I think, since the early 2000s that the neuroscience of how we think and how we behave came into being, and what we're learning about these things. And of course, that produced a whole group of therapies, which some of them were talk therapies and some of them were psychopharmacological therapies. But each one of those particular two therapies' main aim was to help the client alter his life in a way that they chose by altering their attitudes of mind. How do we know that this is true? How do we know that altering our minds can alter our behavior? Well, the obvious point is the role of our past experiences dictates what our behavior is today. So if in fact we can take the construct of our past behaviors created our behavior today, then we don't have to take the big leap that if we utilize what we've learned in neuroscience about this, how we can change our mind, then it's not a big leap to think that we can change our behavior moving forward by applying those principles, by understanding how our behavior was changed in the past. But 90% of the present moment is informed by the past. So where we are today is a cumulative event of all of our past experiences, all of our relational moments, and everything that we do and think about constructs who we are today.
There must be some way out of here.